Hey there, fashion lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to pay on Shein using Venmo in 2025. With Shein's endless affordable styles and Venmo's easy mobile payments, this combo is a game changer for seamless shopping. Whether you're a Shein newbie or a Venmo pro, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can shop without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Shein app downloaded on your phone or head to their website on your computer. Log into your Shein account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're logged in, browse through the latest trends, pick out your favorites, and add them to your shopping cart. Shein's interface is super user-friendly, so this part is a breeze. When you're ready to check out, hit the cart icon and proceed to the payment page. Here, you'll see a list of payment options. Scroll until you find Venmo. It's often listed under digital wallets. Select Venmo as your payment method. If it's your first time, you'll be prompted to link your Venmo account. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your Venmo login details securely, and authorize the connection. Remember, always use a secure network for this to protect your info. After linking, review your order total, including any shipping fees, and double-check the items in your cart. Then, confirm the payment through Venmo. It might open the Venmo app for you to approve the transaction. Once approved, you'll get a confirmation from both Shein and Venmo. Your order is on its way. In 2025, Shein might have even more integrated features, like instant refunds, so keep an eye out for updates. A quick tip: if you encounter any issues, like Venmo not showing up, ensure your app is updated and your accounts are verified. And always shop responsibly within your budget. There you have it. That's how you pay on Shein with Venmo in 2025. It's quick, secure, and oh so convenient. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more shopping hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.